It's the final game of the Rugby Championship, and the Boks are yet again taking on Argentina, but this time in Twickenham, London. Now there's a strong front coming in on Saturday, going to bring rain in the morning, and then remaining cloudy the afternoon. As soon as the game starts, only 14 degrees with still a strong westerly wind blowing and still a few showers here and there. So good luck, boys. Stay warm and bring back that cup. Okay, so we know it's going to be cloudy and cold in the UK, but what's the weather like this weekend back home? Will we be able to braai when the rugby's on? Well, the synoptic analysis is definitely interesting this weekend, so I want to take some time to go through it and explain what's going on. And we can see we've got a coastal low on Saturday that's going to move over the west, bringing in cloud and light showers for parts of the Western Cape, and still this ridging high pushing in cloud and light rain for the northeastern regions, much cooler weather for Gauteng and the Highveld. And then by Sunday, we've got a steep surface trough that's actually going to extend over the west, bring a band of showers and thunderstorms over the Northern Cape, later moving over the Free State, the Eastern Cape, and stormy conditions also reaching parts of KwaZulu-Natal. And then late on Sunday, we've got the next cold front arriving in the Western Cape. So here's the details. On Saturday, light showers expected in the southwest, and a few isolated storms likely here over parts of the Free State, Eastern Cape, and KwaZulu-Natal. Morning drizzle and cloud along the eastern escarpment, and a very slim chance of a quick shower moving over parts of the Highveld, but it's mostly going to be cloudy weather in those regions. And then on Sunday, early rain still possible in the west, with isolated thunderstorms developing over the Northern Cape, and that band extending over the Free State, becoming scattered over here. Stormy conditions expected in parts of the Eastern Cape and later KwaZulu-Natal, with isolated storms also reaching the northern regions and spreading along the eastern escarpment into parts of Mpumalanga. On Monday, we've got the next front sliding over the southwestern regions, and isolated storms also now reaching Gauteng and the rest of Mpumalanga, but those storms can quickly blow away. We'll keep a close eye on those thunderstorms later or next week. Our wind forecast map showing strong easterly winds on Saturday blowing along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. It is definitely going to be a windy Saturday, as we can see in the shades of green across South Africa, with strong westerly winds picking up in the Karoo. Damaging winds likely over here, with a high fire danger in place this weekend across South Africa. So please be cautious if you light a fire. We are expecting extremely windy conditions across the country, with also winds picking up here in the Western Cape and starting to blow strong on Sunday along the southern coastline and the Eastern Cape, turning mainly westerly, and still a northerly wind picking up on Sunday over the interior of South Africa. So lots of windy weather expected this weekend across the country. Cold at first over the southern interior on Saturday, with single-digit minimum temperatures, and then quickly warming up on Saturday afternoon with 35 degrees in Graaff-Reinet. It's much warmer in the Eastern Cape. Still quite chilly here along the west coast and Cape Town, temperatures below 20. Much cooler conditions also expected in parts of Mpumalanga, Limpopo, and Gauteng, 22 degrees in Johannesburg. And then on Sunday, it's cooler here in the southwest as that front slides over the Cape provinces. Also much cooler conditions for the Eastern Cape, but now heating up and hot weather returning to the northeast, with maximum temperatures in the upper 20s and close to 30 degrees. And then it's going to be hot on Monday in the Lowveld. Temperatures the afternoon will soar close to 40 degrees, with the next front bringing cool weather for the southwest. Temperatures only about 20 and quite chilly in parts of the Karoo. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely weekend.